finally started up after 20 years. It's a big moment. It runs good. Although the carburetor needs a little job, other than that, sounds good, huh? I mean, it's been sitting since 1999, almost 20 years. Alright guys, I just shut it off. I was so excited. It ran like a dream. I let it run for about a few minutes. Hopefully that's not too bad, letting it run for a few minutes without water. I would hope these old blocks are that durable. I mean, the block is heads and block is really hot. I can feel the steam coming out of this, but I would think these blocks are a little more durable than that. So I don't know. I hope it didn't hurt anything, but it runs really good. I mean, for sitting that long, and I was surprised the carburetor, it was all nasty and it started. It is leaking though. Carb is leaking. Wow. Well, at least now I know that runs.